Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels like it's been forever since I filmed. A lot has gone on in my life recently. As you may know, I've moved to Australia. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. And so I was in Brisbane, but actually for the past couple of weeks I've been in a small town near Cairns. If you don't know where that is, I guess Google Maps. It's meant to be the middle of winter, but honestly you guys don't have a winter, so I've been rather warm and it's been a bit unpleasant. I don't like the heat that much, but anyway, it's been a while since I've been able to film, and it's been a while since I've been able to bake something, and today I'm going to change that. Ignore the no makeup, and I am probably, I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but we'll see. Anyway, since I've been here, I have been craving some cookies, so we're going to make some cookies. I've got a handful of random ingredients and I'm going to throw them into some cookies and hope that they turn out really good. So let's get started. So first I'm going to melt some butter. I'm going to base these off my cat cookies, so I'll link that again up above, right around there, so you can check that out and check those cookies out because they are amazing. So I'm just going to melt some butter and then I'm going to add some sugar and brown sugar to the butter. Now to that I'm going to add the flour, baking soda and corn flour and give that a little mix. I don't have proper measuring cups here, so let's just hope this turns out okay. So there we have the dough. Now I'm going to throw in some random ingredients. I have a few M&Ms. I may have eaten most of the bag. So like I said, there's only a few. I have some chocolate chips. The last ingredient I added was a few broken up pieces of digestive biscuits or graham crackers, depending where you are in the world, just to add a little bit of a crunch element to these cookies. So I'm going to mix that through, place the mixture into the fridge for about half an hour before rolling into balls to cook, and hopefully they turn out good and I have a good recipe for the blog, but we'll see. As you can see, the cookies have baked and they actually look really good, even though I haven't measured anything very well. I tried my best, but like I said, I don't have proper measuring cups here, but they look good. I can't wait to try these, and if they turn out good, I will take some photos and make sure I put the recipe on my blog. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I know this is a very odd video for me, but like I said, I am in a different place. I don't have a tripod, I don't have all my baking equipment. This was just a spur of the moment thing. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you did, please give this a like. If you want more videos similar to this, or more taste testing videos, or just more recipe videos, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.